Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Shan Kitchen. The hunt to find the bettering chef in Pakistan is on. From thousands of entries, 6 were selected. Aaj Shan Kitchen mein 2 contestants will be called in to cook and share their stories. Hamara judge will select who wins, and the winner will have a chance to showcase their food at the biggest food festival in Pakistan, Karachi Eat 2020, where you'll get a chance to taste their bahut mazedar khana. So let's go and meet the contestants.
Hi, I'm Wajahat. I'm from Lahore. And for me, food is something which is speaking my heart out. I won't speak probably, but I can actually plate myself on the plate. If I want to express myself, any kind of emotion, I would do it by food. If I want to wake up at 7, I wake up at 6 with the excitement that I want to go to the kitchen and do something extraordinary.
Hi, I'm Sidra. I'm from Lahore and I have been cooking as long as I remember. MasterChef was something that really used to fascinate me and it inspired me a lot. And that was the time when I started exploring about different cuisines and about, different genres of cuisines basically. So, pehle to cooking se hi tha, but then I developed a love for baking as well. And I believe that Pakistani cuisine or Pakistani pastry lacked a lot of, individuality. So I started, incorporating those elements that I used to watch in the show in the Pakistani cuisine. A lot of people abroad, Pakistani or Indian cuisine ko ek hi samajhte hain. So I really want to, make a mark of Pakistani cuisine right out there.
Welcome to the Shan Kitchen, Sidra and Wajahat. Aap kaise hain?
बिल्कुल ठीक आप कैसे जॉर्ज?
मैं ठीक हूँ और आप? How are you feeling?
I'm perfectly fine. How are you?
बिल्कुल सही है, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास बहुत बड़ी pantry है, ठीक है?
Okay.
Can you see it over there?
Yeah.
And you now have सिर्फ 5 minutes देंगे.
Okay.
5 minutes देंगे, ठीक है ना? So I want you to go over there in a minute and select your ingredients. Choose your ingredients carefully.
Okay.
ठीक है? Okay. आप दोनों ready है?
Yes.
Your time starts now. Okay, हमारे contestants are back from the pantry and it's time to cook. Okay, and right, before we start, see what you're going to cook. So, आप क्या बना रही हैं?
So I'm making winter sunset. So basically,
Winter sunset?
Yeah, winter sunset. I'll be making gajar halwa cheesecake.
ठीक है.
और इसके साथ होगा गाजर हलवे का mousse and a ginger crumble as well. And I'll be making orange ka syrup and orange caviar for the fresh element.
Orange
Caviars, yeah.
Caviar?
Yeah.
Wow, that is बहुत ambitious है.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make all of that.
Okay, you know we only have 50 minutes, ठीक है ना?
So hopefully 50 minute में हो जाएगा.
Okay, best of luck. Okay, now Wajahat, bye. आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ जॉर्ज आप कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ. And so what are you making?
मैं चीज़ केक बना रहा हूँ रसमलाई के
ठीक है.
साथ और उसके साथ एक स्पंज होगा जो कि रोज़ को हाईलाइट कर रहा होगा और जो रसमलाई का चीज़ केक है वो पिस्ताशियो के क्रस्ट के साथ सर्व होगा. देयर बी लाइक टॉफ़ी सॉस भी होगी उसके साथ और सरप्राइज एलिमेंट ये है कि मैं योगर्ट और विप्ड क्रीम का एक मूस बनाऊंगा कार्डमम इलायची के साथ.
So, अभी let's start. आपके पास सिर्फ 50 मिनट है, ठीक है?
Okay.
आपका टाइम शुरू अब. Go. ठीक है, जल्दी. So you've got already cut up the
Yeah. So
gajar.
okay.
So what do you have you put kale in this?
No, अभी सिर्फ गाजर है
सिर्फ गाजर.
जो
अच्छा.
कद्दूकस हुई हुई है और इसके साथ है चीनी और इसको मैंने तब तक पकाना है जब तक इसका वाटर इवेपोरेट हो जाए.
ठीक है.
फिर हम इसमें घी डालेंगे. I'll be using देसी घी for the exact Punjabi flavor.
Yeah.
और फिर हम डालेंगे शान का गाजर हलवा.
But there's something about desi ghee, zyada natural है. You know,
Yeah,
rather
and
than...
I have a twist here as well. वो
Yeah.
ये कि I'll be using condensed milk to give it a very, you know, what do you call that? एक खोए का और उसका एक flavor देने के
ठीक है.
लिए. So there's a fusion happening in gajar halwa as well.
Okay, Wajahat bhai,
जी,
what
जी.
are you doing?
रसमलाई बन रही है, सो यहाँ पे दूध अपेरेंटली बॉयल हो रहा है और यहाँ पे ये मैंने शान का रसमलाई का जो इंस्टेंट मिक्स है वो डाला
ठीक
और
है.
इसके साथ में इसके अंदर तकरीबन 1 चम्मच ऑयल डालूंगा.
ठीक
So
है.
like a measuring spoon here.
Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, obviously, आपका prize, ठीक है? So, आप competitive है?
बिल्कुल competitor है.
आप competitive है?
Yeah.
So, you know you've got to be in it to win it, ठीक है ना?
Yes, yes, of course.
क्योंकि the prize for the winner today is a stall at हमारा सबसे बड़ा food festival हमारा मुल्क में है, which is Karachi Eat 2020. And your judge for your khana today is the head honcho, the big cheese, the bada admi
Yeah.
of that festival, Omar Omari.
Okay,
ठीक
that's
है ना?
amazing, yeah.
And Sidra,
Yes.
what is this about you going to the Chocolate Academy?
Okay, so I told you that pastry बहुत influence करती है
हाँ.
मुझे और desserts बनाना मेरा एक hobby भी है, passion भी है and I want to pursue it as a career maybe in future.
जी.
तो मुझे ये था कि मैं chocolate के बारे में सीखूं कि कैसे बनती है, एक bean से बार कैसे बनता है. So last year I went to Calibos Chocolate Academy in Dubai. And I learned not from bean to bar, but yes, I learned that how they procure the cacao beans और वो कैसे chocolate में transfer होती है और chocolate से चीजें बनाना सीखी बहुत ज़्यादा.
अच्छा. So, okay. What is in it?
ये रसमलाई का मिक्स है,
ठीक
ये
है.
रसमलाई का डो है और मैं 2 मिनट के अंदर जो है ना एक स्पंज बना रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
So it's in the mic. It's going into the
And
mic.
अब मैं डालने लगी हूँ गाजर हलवा.
Can I help you with that?
Yeah, I actually have a scissor here. I'm going to open it. Okay, yeah. So I'll help. You can help me out while stirring
I'll
it.
stir.
Yeah. So अब मैंने इसके अंदर घी डाला है, condensed milk डाला है. That was the twist part. And now I'm going to add this masala. पूरा जो mixture है, हम ये अंदर डाल देंगे.
Pura bag.
पूरा mixture, yeah. It's good. Thank you.
Oh, that is delicious. And it's the condensed milk.
Yeah.
The secret ingredient है ना?
बिल्कुल.
Now what are you doing here?
So ये ऑरेंज का जूस है
Yeah.
जो चीनी के साथ पक रहा है और इसको मैंने रिड्यूस करना है कि ये एक सिरप लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी में बन जाए.
ठीक है.
So basically चीनी को रिड्यूस खत्म करके
ठीक है.
ऑरेंज की टार्टनेस को लेकर आना है बाहर so that it goes well with sweetness of the गाजर हलवा.
Okay, guys, आपके पास सिर्फ 5 मिनट है. Come on. Jelty, 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 jelty. 5 minutes. I don't see anyone rushing. Okay, we have sirif 8 minutes. 8 minutes before हमारा stoves बंद है, हमारा चूरीज बंद है, हमारा whisks बंद है, हमारा मुंह बंद है. ठीक है ना?
ठीक है.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bund. Everything has to close. That's it. Plate up and get ready.
Okay.
Okay? Everything's finished. You plate up. QK a B. We are going to go to the judging room. And here we are in the judges' room with Hamara Judge Omar. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you
Bahut
so
shukriya.
much. Thank you.
So, are you ready to try the food?
I am.
And what are you going to be looking for in Hamara?
Well, right at the top, we will be looking at, of course, flavor and taste. We will be looking at technique, presentation, and of course, innovation. We want to be surprised.
Right. Well, let's bring in the food. Right. And this is rustic autumn.
That's right.
Quite a lot of spectacle
Look at
there.
that.
Well, do you want to try this first?
All right.
So, what are your thoughts?
Well, presentation-wise, it's innovative. The dish itself is trying to sort of break away from the very traditional ras malai. I wasn't expecting it to taste like it does, but good, not bad, not
Okay.
bad. Not bad.
So, should we now try the Winter Wonderland?
Go for it.
I don't want to break this
I
up
know,
because
I know.
it looks so
and
beautiful.
you've got a whole bunch of things happening there, which is really cool because you've got the mousse, the gajar halwa mousse, and it's a what? A gajar halwa cheesecake.
Gajar halwa
And hang on,
cheesecake,
I think you need to
And then
you need
the-
to inject it.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
you're gonna take that out.
Take
Yeah.
it out or
yeah,
squeeze
take
it
it
now?
out, take it out, and then squeeze it all over.
Ooh.
Look at that. So I'm gonna try the mousse first.
Cheese. Yeah, I'll try that.
Oh, I mean, you think gajar halwa, traditional, and even with this one, you think it's a traditional Pakistani dessert, and
But
then
they've
you've got
reinvented it.
yeah, completely, and you've got the plating. For me, is brilliant. Completely unexpected.
It has almost a marmalade.
Yeah,
taste to it.
completely brilliant.
And so, what other thoughts do you have on this dish?
Well, look, I'm quite impressed with the techniques in both of them. It's very difficult. I mean, if I had to choose one, it would be very, very difficult. They both look great. They both look the part. Great on experimentation, which is key.
Lekin, there has to be sirf ek winner here.
Do I have to choose?
You do? You are the judge. That is your title.
Well, it's going to be difficult. I mean, this is not a job that anyone wants.
But do you know who the winner is?
Well, yeah, I think so.
Oh, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Abhi, hamara results. Ab sahi hai? Tension hai?
काफी ज़्यादा.
Up.
Quite nervous, actually.
ठीक है. Well, I can say this. आप दोनों आपका meals बहुत अच्छा था.
Thank you.
आपका presentation दोनों बहुत अच्छा था. ठीक है ना? It was really good presentation. It was like professional standard.
Thank you,
And
thank
so you both looked the part, but we only had to choose a winner,
Yeah.
and there is one winner. So I can reveal
Okay.
आज हमारा winner है Sidra.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Wajahar, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Come on, come on. Ugh. You did really well, and up dono, your meals were like classics that were a fusion of West and Pakistani, apka fusion of ras malai with a cheesecake, apka fusion of halwa, and again cheesecake. It was bahut mazadar, and
Thank you so
you
much.
both did really well. Tika, so you should be very proud, and you have proved to the people of Pakistan that men can cook. Tika, and so don't discount the inspiration that you are to so many people out there. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Shan Kitchen.